Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how many seconds does the fairy spawn out of its house. So once you've caught one fairy, it's going to be 10 seconds apart from the next one. Okay, so I'll catch one and I'll count to 10. Hopefully it's 10 seconds. So here, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, it's 10. I counted too slow, I think. But as you can see, they are 10 seconds apart. So if you wait here, you can spam it, but just know that from fairy to fairy, they are 10 seconds apart from spawning. And that is pretty much it for this video. If you want to catch a lot of fairies, I have captured 490 so far, and my goal is 600. I really don't care for the glimmering pet shard, so my goal is to just open the other pet, which requires 600 fairies. I don't think it's super difficult. So like one fairy is like 10 seconds and the event is like 20 minutes per spawn. So if you count that and do the math, I can't do math, you'll get this many fairy jars. You'll get a lot of fairy jars. I would just count it. So like, okay, so should I count it? Okay. You'll get approximately this many fairies. Okay, hold on. So per 10 seconds, you get one fairy. So 60 minutes. Wait, no, 20 minutes is how many seconds would that be? 20 minutes? How many seconds? That would be 1,200 seconds. So you're just going to want to divide them by 10. So around 120-ish fairies if you stay here for the full 20 minutes. So I don't think it's that difficult to get fairy jars. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I'm just trying to do the math so you guys can see. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.